I didn't see you there sitting in my room. Today, I'm going to go over the guidelines for creating your next assignment, a 1 to 4 minute how-to video. Let's get started. First, go to a place where you like to brainstorm and think about what you want to create. Brainstorm, brainstorm, brainstorm. Brainstorm, 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 brainstorm. Some examples are making a sandwich, a smoothie, making cookies, fixing a flat tire, making breakfast, doing laundry, or CPR.
Staying alive, staying alive, staying alive.
Or anything else that's appropriate for a school video. You're in the shot. Before you settle on an idea, think. Do you have everything you need to make your video? Oh, and make certain you tell Mr. Roche.
That's me.
You must have your idea approved by Mr. Roche. Now it's time to write your script. And when writing your script, you want a detailed step-by-step process of what is going to be happening in your how-to video. Also, where's it going to be located? Do you need any props? Who are your actors, you or other people? And have a variety of shots, which can be found in this variety of shots checklist, which I'll be presenting later. Also, if you are presenting something and it already has directions, well, add your own dialogue to it because it makes it less boring. Otherwise, you sound like a robot. You'll sound like a robot. You'll sound like a robot. And nobody wants to sound like a robot. Congratulations, you've made it to step 3. Now let's get out those pencils and start adding film shots to your script. For this next part of the project, I would like you to specifically draw, not write words next to, but draw images of what you think each shot of your line of dialogue will look like. Kind of like this, even if it's a stick figure. Now, your how-to video must have 15 to 25 shots. No shot can be longer than 7 seconds, and you must use the following shots. 1 wide shot, 4 medium shots, 4 close-up shots, 2 extreme close-up shots, 2 B-roll shots, 1 high-angle shot, 1 low-angle shot.
Dad, I told you, I'm not going to do your low-angle shot.
When done, for my class, take a photo of your storyboards, put them in your Google Drive folder, and share them with Mr. Roche.
That's me.
How you doing, Violet?
Good.
You've written your script and drawn your storyboards. Now it's time to film. Let's go, Violet. We'll film later. Now that you have all your footage on your computer, it's time to assemble it together. Remember, add music, titles, and voiceover if necessary. Fixing a flat tire. Making breakfast. When you're finished with the film, upload it to Google Drive and share it with Mr. Roche.
That's me.
That's me. Congratulations. You've made a how-to video. You're in the shot.